Several days later.
So I'm getting ready for work, you guys, and I'm like, if you see this vlog all over the place, just know that I'm like trying to get back in the groove of things, you know, because I did have a while without filming and picking up the camera. So it's gonna take me a little while. It's gonna take me a little while, especially vlogs. Like, I haven't vlogged in forever, but we're here and it is Wednesday. Currently 6:38 in the morning, you guys, and I have to speed it up because I'm already behind. Like, there is so much I want to do. Like, I want to change. Like, I want to do so much on my channel. Like, I want to give you guys like the real deal of what goes on in my life every day, as a mom, as a pet owner, now living in my own place by myself, just, you know, with the kids and stuff. So it's a lot. Not complaining because I love it, but it's just a lot. It's a lot, and it's just like I'm always like on go. It's always like a hustle and bustle, and you know, it's always a movement. Literally. But like, man, so worth it. So worth it. Just the peace and the space, the tranquility, like just knowing that I'm in my own, you know, space. It just feels good. It feels really, really good. This is just me rambling as I get ready because today's just one of those days that I do not want to go to work. Like, I contemplated so much just calling out and staying in bed, but I can't do that. I can't do that. This week is pretty hectic. The kids get their report cards tomorrow. If you don't know, I work at a school and it's just a lot going on. Like, report cards need to get printed. Some report cards need to get held back. Like, various things, a lot of things going on, and I can't do that to my team. Like, I need to be there, you know. I need to be there. So I'm going to be there. So after I finish getting ready, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show you guys like everything, just because I'm already, like I said, running behind and it's just too much going on. But after really I'm done like with my makeup and getting myself ready, because I get up first, I don't know, maybe one of these days I might do like a morning routine with you guys, with the kids, so you guys can see how it really goes in the mornings for me. But after I'm done like getting myself ready, then I just go get the girls up, which is like a hassle because I have to dress them like and put their uniform on them while they're still like half dead, because they give me a hard time waking up. And once I get them ready, I go tap Jared for his ass to get up, and then while they're all like for the most part ready, all of them, then I go walk the dog. Make sure, you know, he does his thing, poops, whatever, this, that, and then I come back here. By the time I come back in the house, like after a good 10 minutes, then everyone is pretty much ready by then. Then we get the cab and then we go. So that's pretty much my morning, you guys. I need to finish because right now I'm bullshitting, and I'll see you guys in a bit. So my camera. So you guys, this is like literally 8 hours later from this morning, and I feel like complete shit. Kiki, you keep jumping, my camera's moving. I don't know what happened. Everything just hit me at once, okay? Like, this morning I had such an intense morning. So I went to walk my dog, and you know, I'm over here trying to be generous, and I go a different route, you know, trying to make, my dog is having a hard time adjusting to the new place and leaving him by himself here. I mean, there goes Neil. He's like, girls, can you stop jumping? Every time you jump, you shake the camera. So he's like having a bad time adjusting. And I mean, back home in New York, he was always with my mom. He was never really alone. And now, you know, we all have a routine. I go to work, the kids go to school, so he has to stay here by himself. So he's having like a really hard time, and I'm just really trying to like do whatever I can to ease that. So I decided to go a new route this morning, and that was, I shouldn't have done that, because there were 2 freaking dogs off a leash. Luckily they were trained and they were in pit bulls, and I saw them before my dog did. So my dog didn't try to pounce or anything, but I was petrified. And of course my first instinct was to protect my dog. I know that probably sounds crazy. You guys are probably thinking, no, but you got to protect yourself. But I got in between the dog and my dog, and that other dog, huge big dog, fluffy, dirty looking, not well kept, he came behind my Guebo trying to sniff his booty hole, and I'm just panicking, like looking around like, where the fuck is this owner? And it was like literally 7 a.m. and I'm just like, the crossing guard, the school guard was like, come get your dog, come get your dog. And I'm like, come get your dog, you know, like, get your dog. And in the midst of all of that, I must have did like a wrong turn, and like I pulled a muscle, I caught a cramp, and I didn't feel it till I was like at work, and I breathed a certain way, and I just like froze, because I'm like, ow, like what just happened? And then out of nowhere, I just start, like, you know when you start to get like those symptoms of like sickness, like a flu, like you're coming down with something. I was just like stuffy in the face, I was kind of red, I was extremely tired. Not to mention, like, it's very, very hefty. Like, the workload is excuse me, is very, very hefty. Like, tomorrow is report card day. I think I mentioned that this morning, and it's just a shitload of work to do. And I was doing exactly that, and I was in pain from one side because of whatever happened this morning, and then I feel like I'm coming down with something, and I'm extremely tired, I'm fatigued, I'm getting all of the symptoms of period, because my period is supposed to come in a couple days. So all of that mixed together, I just feel like shit. And now I'm home and I'm on mommy mode, and I don't want to be on mommy mode. Like, I know I'm supposed to cook today, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm actually gonna order food for the kids. I'm waiting for Jared to get home from school so we can decide on what we're gonna eat. And I still gotta keep, you know, walking the dog every 3 hours, 4 hours, whatever. And I gotta feed him. Like, I just want to lay in bed and do absolutely nothing. I don't want to hear no one calling my name. I don't want to hear no one saying mommy, mommy, mommy. Like, we have homework to do. It's just, it's a lot. Okay, and this is not me complaining, this is just me telling you guys, it's a vlog, it's a vlog. So I'm just telling you guys what's going on. And I don't know, I think that this is like natural. This is how vlogs are supposed to be. You just naturally turn the camera on and you just start. Like, I mean, look at me, I look like complete caca. Like, this is not planned, this is not, I just want to get on here and give you like the real, okay? Like, whatever you get is what you get, and know it's real and it's genuine, and I hope you enjoy, and I hope I feel better so we can get more footage out there.
Several days later.
Look, hey pretty girl. Why are you being an angry bird? Huh? Why? Where are we going, Nia? Give me a hand.
Ice skate.
Are you excited?
Yep.
Yeah? Yeah, we're going ice skating with the squad, with the fam bam. Well, not really the squad, just some of us, because I'm missing my old baby girl. Oh my god, I need a new camera, you guys. Like, I really need a new camera because it's not focusing.
What's up with some music or something? I should have booked for 2 times.
For this is so.
I
This is the look of the day. It is, I'm loving it. Like, I need more light. I wish I had better lighting, but I mean, I do. My ring light is over there, but I just didn't feel like doing all of that because I am getting ready to go to work. But I love it. So like classic chic, cute, comfortable. A little statement with the leopard, but nothing crazy. My type of style, my type of looks. Let's see, this is better. And then this is the face. Clean, cutesy. Sorry about the lighting. Anyways, today we're on a 2-hour delay because of the snow from yesterday. And I'm loving it. Like, they need to do this more often. And my camera, like in every footage, you're just gonna see me complain about my camera because I just don't know, like, why isn't it focusing? Like, why won't it just like stay right there, you know, like right there, like that. Anyways, if I was able to go into work at 9:30 every day, I'd be the happiest woman alive. Like, I would be bright and awake and, you know, full of energy. And then there's the man of my life who, I don't know if he's enjoying the snow. I don't think he is. I walked him and the whole time I'm looking at his little legs and he's like literally trembling. I feel so bad. My bounty boy's getting old. Anyways, I gotta run. See you guys.
3 days later.
Who's going outside? Who's going outside? Hi. You guys, look how he has this door. He has destroyed this door with his crazy separation anxiety, and excuse my voice, like I am so sick. It's just gotten worse. But thank God it's Friday. Yeah, this is what he does every morning when I leave to work. His separation anxiety, you guys, I don't know what else to do. If you have any suggestions, comment down below because Mr. Guebo is driving me crazy. Go, 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 get it, baby. Get it, baby. Get it, baby. Hi. No. Hi. Hi. Come, get it, baby. Get it, baby. Get it, baby. Get it, baby. Hi. Ah, somebody wants to go out. We're going. We're going, baby. We're going. We're going. We're going. We're going now. We're going now. Hi guys. Hi guys. It is Friday night and we're going up because, yeah, I'm about to start my Christmas break and I'm sick a little bit, as you can hear it in my voice. And I had a very long week and I am very deserving of a couple drinks and very, very good food. Okay? So, yes, that's what we're doing today. And yeah, this is my outfit. Sorry, I can't really show you right, but so this is what it's looking like. Just some jeans, and I'm sorry the lighting is just my clear heels. My heels are so cool. I'll take some pictures and I'll show you guys, but this is what it's looking like. I love how my hair came out, and again, the lighting. So let's just go.
Chinese.